In the meantime, calls for redesigning of the country's legal education system to embed office and integrity in the fight against financial crimes and corruption dominated the regional conference on the future of legal education in Nairobi. The three-day forum that brought together the legal practitioners spotlighted the critical gatekeeping role of lawyers in safeguarding financial integrity.
Kenya is currently ranked fourth in Africa among countries most hit by organized criminality, according to the Africa Organized Crime Index, with financial crimes contributing much to the vice. The legal fraternity on Tuesday convened in Nairobi to discuss the role of lawyers in curbing the crimes and improving the legal education systems.
As we train, we must ask ourselves, how are our courses training people, not just for the mechanics of law, but for the quality of the human person? What kind of values are really inspiring them? So we also live the dictates of Chapter 6 of our Constitution.
These realities demand that legal education continues to adapt and that integrity, compliance and global standards are embedded in curricula and professional training.
To stay ahead of the threats, Law Society of Kenya President Faith Odhiambo urged the legal sector to leverage on emerging digital tools, both in training and in practice.
It matters not that we welcome 2,000 new advocates to the profession every year, if it only matters that in every lawyer that graduates from our institutions, we ensure that they exemplify the quintessential competencies of a 21st century lawyer.
Long-term progress in financial investigations, asset recovery and corruption prevention depends on the competencies we instill in law students, trainee advocates and young practitioners today.
At the same time, the Council of Legal Education was challenged to develop a robust policy framework to regulate the operations of lawyers operating in sensitive sectors such as the public procurement prone to integrity risks.
Council for Legal Education needs to see that the lawyers who are serving in various counties, before there were no counties, now that we have so many counties and we have very many legal professions working in the counties. And these, especially the county attorneys, they are supposed to advise counties in terms of procurement. And as we know, procurement is the leading cause of corruption in Kenya.
John Kahiro for Prime Edition.